Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you some tricks about definite integration, and it will be very helpful for IIT, JEE, NDA and many more examinations. So let's begin.
So this is the trick 1. Okay, here this is the first trick. If I is equal to integration 0 to pi sine ax into cos bx dx, okay, then we will check the mod value of a minus b. Okay, so if the mod value of a minus b is an even number, then we can say that the value of the integration I is equal to 0. Okay, now if the mod value of a minus b is an odd number, then we can directly say the value of the integration I is equal to 2a by a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so let's solve some question. Here it is. First question. So first question is, what will be the value of the integration 0 to pi sine 4x into cos 10x dx. Okay, so here what is the value of a? Here we can see that value of a is 4. And what is the value of b? Here we can see that value of b is 10. Okay, now what we have to check? We have to check mod of a minus b. Okay, so here mod of a minus b is equal to mod 4 minus 10. Okay, so that means this is equal to 6. Okay, so this is an even number. 6 is an even number, we know. Okay, so according to our trick, we can directly say the answer. The answer will be option C. It will be 0. Okay, so answer will be option C. It will be 0. Okay, so it was very easy. Now going to next question. Here it is. Next question. What will be the value of the integration 0 to pi sine 8x into cos 3x dx? Okay, so here what is the value of a? You can see that value of a is 8. Okay, and what is the value of b? We can see that value of b is 3. Okay, now what we have to check? We have to check mod of a minus b. Okay, either it is even or odd number. So here this is equal to mod of 8 minus 3. Okay, so this is equal to 5. Okay, so this is an odd number, this is an odd number. Okay, so according to our trick, what will be the value of the integration? So value of the integration will be 2a divided by a plus b into a minus b. According to our trick, this will be the value of the integration. Okay, so now put the values of a and b. So what is the value of a? Here value of a is 8. So 2 into 8, that means 16, divided by a plus b. A plus b means 8 plus 3, that means 11, into a minus b. A minus b means 8 minus 3, that means 5. So 11 into 5, that means 55. Okay, so answer will be option B. Yes, answer will be option B. So option B is the correct answer. Okay, so very simple. So now going to next trick. Trick 2. What is trick 2? Here it is. If I is equal to integration 0 to pi sin mx into sin nx dx. Okay, then we have to check whether m is equal to n or not. Okay, so if not m not equal to n, then the value of the integration will be 0. Okay, and if m is equal to n, then we can say that the value of the integration will be pi by 2. Okay, so let's solve some question. Here it is. First question, integration 0 to pi sin 3x into sin 5x dx. Okay, what will be the value of this integration? So here you can see that m is equal to 3. Okay, and what is the value of n? Here you can see that n is equal to 5. Okay, so here you can see m is not equal to n. Okay, so according to our trick, if m is not equal to n, then the value of integration will be 0. Okay, so option C is the correct answer. Okay, very simple. So now going to next question. Here it is, integration 0 to pi sin square 10x dx. Okay, what will be the value of this integration? So we can write integration 0 to pi sin square 10x dx as integration 0 to pi sin 10x into sin 10x dx. Okay, okay, so here you can see that the value of m, what is the value of m? 10. And what is the value of n? 10. Okay, so value of m is also 10 and value of n is also 10. So m is equal to n. Okay, so m is equal to n. So according to our trick, the answer will be here m is equal to n. So according to our trick, the answer will be option B. Okay, pi by 2. It is pi by 2, option B. Okay, so this is very simple. So thank you. Please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. So this is the end of today's video. Wait for the next video. Till then, goodbye.